Good morning, everyone. It's always nice to say hello. Now, with the great dates of the 19th to the 25th of September 2021. We are now in the days of the descent of Kukulkan, the Kukulkan's pyramid. And of course, it's called the attention to all of us because I remember a beautiful experience when I was working at Chichen. It was the year 1987, precisely when Jose Arguelles dedicate this year, to the return of Quetzalcoatl Kukulkan, who was a prediction that the new time was here. And it's precisely in that day, that we have the opportunity to see, to admire in the fall equinox, something really amazing. The moment when in the sunset, the sun is descending, but in the other side, in the east side of the pyramid, the moon was ascending. It was a beautiful moment when you see this. So from that point of view, we are going to talk today, look into the next clips, the symbols of the Maya, beginning with AHAU. AHAU represents the sun, is symbolically Quetzalcoatl, Kukulkan, the one who precisely is ascending, in the morning and descending in the afternoon. This is what we see in the pyramid of Kukulkan, the extraordinary descent of Quetzalcoatl Kukulkan. But the message in this time, in these Mayan updates, is to guide yourself, to guide your spirit, to see how important it is to pay attention to these two great movements. The sunrise, what does it mean? It means that the sun, the energy, who is all in the solar system, part of the universe, is ascending your energies, or in other words, activating your chakras, activating your light, activating your different centers in order, to discover what is inside of the mystery of the sunrise, what is inside of the mystery of your own temple, of yourself. The next symbol is Chichen. Precisely the symbol Chichen basically is the symbol of the skin of the serpent, who represent the symbol of the skin, the earth, the moment of the earth, who is protecting us, in this planet from all these energies, positive or negative. So the sun is arising the energy, but you have a protector, the wisdom, the energy of the sun, who is always there like a net to protect your aura. And is that moment when you feel the connection with Father and Mother, the creators of the life. From that point of view, we have another one who represents men. Men is the priest, priestess, the ancient ones who have the knowledge, the healing powers, the gifts. So with that sacred energy protected by the sun, we are able to manifest, to create, to do again in ourselves the connection with the light. That is what's coming precisely in these days of the fall equinox, to manifest within us the light, to manifest that connection between the creator of the life and father and mother. This is the moment when the man said, so be it. So it is done. So the path to do that is Og. Og means the steps. The way that we walk now is very important. I think that in this fall equinox, there is like a mark, like a point that is giving us the opportunity to transform and to activate in our life many of the sacred gifts, connect them precisely with these symbols. The path is to walk with the sun behind, with the sun who is protecting you with that net of light, giving you the opportunity to manifest. And at the same time, that is guiding you to the temple of the moon, to the temple of the mother. And physically there at Chichen Itza, there is a special area who they call the Old Chichen Itza. In that area, there are temples dedicated to the moon, to its shell, and to Grandmother Ishmukane. There's the symbol of the turtle, the symbol of the moon, the symbol of the transformation, the symbol of the transmutation that unfortunately now the public is not available to go. But this is an area who was made by the Mayas with the purpose that we see the direction of our spiritual path. The sun in one side, ascending or descending, and the moon is the direction that we go to reconnect with our mother, to honor, to love, and to respect. So in this time, don't lose your sacred path. See that the return of Quetzalcoatl is bringing to you the opportunity to return to the light, protected by the light, in walking, straight like on the stairway to the temple of the moon, with your mother who's waiting you to heal you, to help you, and to guide you with the sacred wisdom that she has. Let's do our meditation. Close your eyes. Take a breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Father, Mother, thank you for this opportunity to understand the connection between the sunrise and the sunset of the sun, and the connection with the light that is protecting us all the time towards the energy of the manifestation, and at the same time to always look in the direction of the temple of the mother, in the direction of the temple of the moon, that is going to bring to us the balance within and the balance outside. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Mother. Bring us to all the participants in these Mayan updates the opportunity to connect with that energy that the Mayans call Sasil Kin. 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 In this moment, imagine looking to the east, the ascension of the sun, shining, activating your sacred energies. At the same time, connecting with the temple of the moon, receiving the healing, the blessings of the mother. Thank you, Mother. Shell, Chumukane. Thank you for to guide all the participants towards the temple of the moon with the ascension of the sacred energies of the sun, who is the symbol of Kukulkan, the serpent of light. Thank you, Mother. Thank you, thank you. We honor and reverence the two symbols, the sun and the moon, with the mantra U Moon Kin, the sun. U Kin, 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 U Kin. The light is with you. Mother loves you in these dates of the fall equinox. Honor the sacred water. Honor the elements of life. Honor yourself and the creator of the life, who is always with you. We send love and light, abundance, kindness, peace, joy, harmony, and healing to our planet, to all humankind, and all the living beings. So be it, so it is done. So be it, so it is done. So be it, so it is done. In lak'ech, AHAU. Take a breathe. Another breathe. Another breathe. Take this moment to say thank you to your personal guides, spiritual guides, teachers. Thanks, Father. Thanks, Mother, for to guide us in these important dates of the fall equinox. Thank you for the healing. Thank you for your love, protection, and guidance. Another breath. You can open your eyes. One thing who, one day talking with our teacher, the Yucatan Peninsula has very special ecological characteristics. 75% of the environment is water, which means that we are always under humidity, 75%. From the point of view of our comfortable is not good because we are always sweating. But from the spiritual point of view, it's extraordinary for the people who lives here and accept that process, because that process means that you are cleansing 24 hours your different levels of energy through the steam who involves, the environment in the Yucatan. So I hope that in this fall equinox, you receive the blessings, you receive the love, the guidance, and the healing. Thank you. In lak'ech.